pull this down, and there we are. Oh, that feels a bit better. Oh, beat me up, Scotty.
What are you doing, Dan?
I'm hopping.
Why?
It's hopping day. 7 days in. Time to dry hop.
Oh dear.
Peek inside, see what's happening.
Quick peek.
Yeah. So there we are.
No, bit of flocculation. Is it flocculation? Did you teach me that word?
Certainly on the top. And it's dropping all down because a few days ago it was like a thick layer on top. So it was way down. So what we do is just open the hops.
What does it say on the front there?
It says, do not stir. Day 7. And we are day 7. So I'm just going to chop the top off. Just like that. And if you can remember, we stored them in the fridge to make them last a bit longer. Ooh, quite a nice smell. Have a smell it.
Oh yes, it's the IPAs again, isn't it? That type of.
So it's going to add
fresh smell.
The aroma, isn't it? Just drop my nose in. There we are, all gone.
And that's it.
Just floating on the top. Close the lid, make sure that's on. Alright, and wait another 7 days.
7 days?
And what happens then?
Bottling day, Dan.
Bottling day and beer day.
What is it today? It's midweek Wednesday.
It's brew day. As we said, we are making a brew off a cup of tea.
Yeah, just bog standard brew day.
Yeah, we gone soft today. A little bit.
Sterilisation fluid into the bottle.
Yeah.
Give it a shake.
Star sand. We just give it a shake. And into the next one.
Is this a no rinse stuff?
This is no rinse, so we just give it a little shake so there's no drops left. And on to the next one. Could do with music for this. There we are. On to the next one. So these have been, as you said earlier on, you put these in the dishwasher at a high temperature just to clean them.
Yep.
And now this is the sterilisation of the bottles. Because you don't have any bad germs after being so sterile up to now.
Dana, I have another one of my questions.
Okay, shoot, Phil.
So, what are the what's the stuff on top?
It looks to me like the hops, because you know we dried hopped and they just floating on the surface. We had the original sort of the fermentation.
Okay, so that's not fermentation now. That's just the dry hops.
I believe so. You see the top of the layer, the chrysan layer was, and it's actually just dropped right down. So yeah.
Okay, so do we need to disturb that now, or do we just get in there? What?
We just try and push it gently in there, not hitting the bottom. But you can see in the bottom here we've got our little bit of liquid, which is our sugar.
The primer.
To
add carbonation.
That's exactly. So
I'm learning, Dan. I'm learning.
Okay, so the trick here is, so we're just going to drop that in there. And the trick here is to get the pump going, and so we're not adding oxygen to the beer. So this, you can see the colour of this one. It's a lot darker than the pale ale because this is bitter.
Tasty.
So this is a proper bitter. So you can see I've got the tube running at the side, so it's not actually causing too many bubbles or anything else like that. It's just coming in nice and smoothly. And the reason we don't add bubbles to it because it oxidises the beer. It doesn't last as long in the bottle, so it's nice to try and minimise oxygen while we can, so we've got a nice tasting beer. That's the beer, and you can see the sediments right at the bottom, and we're trying to filter off the last good bit of beer because we want waste beer because it's very precious.
And that sediments, the Kreisen ring you said that it fell.
Yeah, at the top it
Flops them and
fell
gets
down here. You can see right at the bottom. You can see some of the hops and things mixed in the side. So yeah, I think it's a good healthy brew. That's what I've got in my hand.
You got your hand, Dan?
I got a beer.
Yeah.
A little bit left of a beer, and I've got a wand.
A wand? What do you do with the wand?
It's not a magic wand, it is a bottling wand, which is just as important. And now we are going to use the magic wand to actually, or bottling wand to put the beer into the bottles.
So
I'm just going to put that in there. The good thing about this bottling, as it comes in, you need to press the button for it to work, and it shoots in. Look at that. Look at that go. Again, we're trying to avoid adding too much bubbles to it. It'll be a few bubbles to start with, but yeah, look how easy that is.
awesome job.
So the most important thing, what the useful thing about this wand is when I lift it up, it'll stop the flow of beer.
And you can buy them from homebrew shops?
Yeah, homebrew shops, Amazon. Yeah, search online, any online brewing shop or your local brewing shop. Yeah, it's worthwhile the investment. I think about £5.
Oh, they're both pretty good.
Not as easy as taking the cap off, but I certainly had more practice in that one. There's the last bite.
I don't think I'd go for either over the other, to be honest.
Yeah.
If I had this system I'm doing now,
You'd be happy?
I'd be happy. If I had this system, I'd be happy.
You'd be just happy.
So, spin the camera around now.